Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video lecture, we are going to solve next questions from revision questions chapter Oxford General Navigation. So let's start with question 105. Simple. We have to find drumline track from A to B. So A is at 100° west, B is at 50° west. So A to B. So drumline A to B. Both are yeah. So I'll draw a diagram again. A is at 45 north, 100 west. B is at 48° 30 minutes north, 50 west. Correction, that is 10 west and 5 west. This is 10 west and this is 5° west. Okay, and now you have to find rum line A to B. Okay, so rum line A to B, that we will have to calculate this triangle. So focus your attention on this triangle first. This. Okay. Now this is 45 north, 10 west. This will be 45 north, same latitude, but longitude will be 5° west. We will name this point number C. Now we have this 90° angle, so it becomes our Pythagoras theorem. So it becomes our Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Now in this Pythagoras theorem, AB square AB square will be equal to AC square plus BC square. Okay. BC square. Now what is AC? AC is nothing but drumline distance d long into cos lat. So d long 10 west 5 west. D long is 5° into 60 into cos 45. 560 into cos 45 is 212 nautical miles. Next BC will be great circle distance, which is equal to 48° 30 minutes north minus 45 north, is equal to 3° 30 minutes into 60, 210. So this is 210 nautical miles. So let's substitute the value. AC 212 square, BC 210 square. So 210 square is 44,100. 212 square is 44,944. So 89,044 is the answer. That is your AB square. So AB will be equal to square root of 89,044, which is 298. Okay. So AB is 298. So this is 298. AC is 212 and BC is 212. Okay. Now let's find this angle theta. This angle theta is nothing but tan theta opposite upon adjacent. Opposite is 210, adjacent is 212, 210 divided by 212 is 0.99. So theta will be equal to tan inverse 0.99, that is equal to 44 degree 43 minutes. 44 degree 43 minutes. 44 degree 43 minutes. Okay. Now look at this. Track AC. What is track AC? Track AC is 090. If I want to fly point A to point C, I will have to fly a direction of 090 easterly direction. What is track AB then? Track AB will be equal to 090 minus 45. Let's consider 44 degree 43 minutes, approximately 45 degree. So 90 minus 45 is 45 degree. So track AC is, correction, track AB is 45 degree. And track AB is nothing but a rumline track. It is nothing but a rumline track. So rumline track direction is 45 degree. So option A is the correct option. Okay, so little different tricky question. Okay, very important. Next. What is the effect on Mach number and TAS in aircraft that is climbing with constant calibrated airspeed? That is climbing with constant calibrated airspeed. So what happens? As you climb higher in the atmosphere, atmospheric pressure decreases. Atmospheric pressure decreases. As a result, your airspeed indicator is nothing but your pressure instrument, right? So the dynamic pressure felt by the airspeed indicator will also decrease. As a result, indicated airspeed will also decrease, or calibrated airspeed will decrease. So in order to prevent that from happening, in order to maintain your calibrated airspeed, in order to maintain indicated airspeed or calibrated airspeed, you will have to increase the dynamic pressure. Okay, that means you will have to fly your aircraft at a higher true airspeed, at a higher true airspeed. Okay, so that is the case. So a constant calibrated airspeed climb results in higher true airspeed. So let's check that option. Here it says TAS decreases, so that is wrong. Option B says TAS remains constant, so option B is wrong. Now we are left with option C and D. Now look at the Mach number. Now what is Mach number? Mach number is true airspeed upon local speed of sound. Right? True airspeed upon local speed of sound. Let's take two situations. In situation 1, you are flying at a true airspeed of 500 knots. Local speed of sound is 1000 knots. Now your aircraft is climbing at constant calibrated airspeed, like as mentioned in the question. So when you climb at constant calibrated airspeed, your true airspeed increases. So let's say now your true airspeed becomes 800. Local speed of sound is going to remain the same for the purpose of our illustration, 1000. Your Mach number will be 500 by 1000, will be zero point 0.5. Here the Mach number will be 800 by 1000, which will be zero point 0.8. Right, so what has happened? Mach number has increased from zero point 0.5 to zero point 0.8. So along with that, Mach number will also increase. Option C is the correct option. Okay, option C is the correct option. Next. Track is there, heading is there, task, ground speed is there. So now, if is track is 198, heading is 184. Now when heading is less than track, you will get a starboard drift. So starboard drift will be 14 degree. Okay. So option A and D eliminated. We are left with option Bravo and Charlie. Now to find Bravo and Charlie, one option between them, use CX3. So CX3, ground speed is 453, task is 427, true course is 198, true heading is 184. So your wind speed will be 110, wind direction 87. So option B will be the correct option. Island is observed 15 degree to your left. That means relative bearing is minus 15. Aircraft heading is 120 magnetic. Variation is there. What is bearing from aircraft to the island? From aircraft to the island means you have to find QDM or QUJ. So here they have asked true bearing. So you have to find QUJ. We will start with finding QDM first. So relative bearing is minus 15. Heading of aircraft is 120. So QDM from aircraft to the island will be heading plus bearing 120 minus 15, 105. This is magnetic. Now convert this into QUJ. So it will be QDM minus variation. Variation is west. So variation westerly magnetic will be more than true. So true will be less than magnetic. So 105 minus 17, which is equal to 88. Okay. So answer is option C. This we come to the end of this lecture. I hope you have liked this lecture, understood all the sums that I have solved. If you have any doubts, queries, let me know in the comment box. Subscribe to this channel, share this video and hit the like button. All the best. See you in the next